is Yolanda, and I am making this video because I'm going to try to do my own dip nails. I'm in Dallas County, and we have a stay-at-home shelter-in-place order that I think the county judge made this order for us to stay at home. I want to say it was like March 20 something. We are now April 20th, so about a month into the stay-at-home order, and I already looked into my credit card stuff, my bank account, and the last time that I got my nails done was March 3rd. So my nails are pretty busted, pretty ratchet, very ugly. So here they are. Here are my nails now. This one's broken at the base. I don't know how that happened. This one chipped. I had to file it down. They're super grown out. Like, they're bad. They're bad. So I'm going to try to do my own. I did my mom's already. I ordered the starter kit, and then I ordered 2 additional colors. I got this color, which is CL14, which is a pretty red. For me, I ordered NA19, so that one's kind of cute too. It's very, very nude. I did hers. They're not perfect. They're cute as long as they don't get too close. But yeah, it wasn't super hard to do on her. But I know that me doing it on myself is probably gonna be a little bit challenging. So I'm going to try it and let you know how easy or how hard it actually is. Yeah, so I'm gonna go buff them or file them or whatever and put them in acetone. See how long it takes to get them off, and then I'll be back. So this is the package, by the way. It came in a, UPS or USPS big box. But it says, tip it real good. This is the starter kit. It came with this file, cuticle pusher, regular file. I think this is like a buffer thing. Then you have all 4 of your things. You have your base, your bond, activator, sealer, and then a brush softener. This is to like clean your brushes. And I think you can change this one into any of them if it gets hard. So it came with the 2 nudes. This one's a little more purple. This one's a little more blue, but out the box they look very similar. PA19. Oh, they're pastels, that's right. And PA5. Like I said, I ordered these separately. I ordered this color. My mom likes red, so CL14. CL is for classics. NA19 for me. I think NA stands for naturals. So it came with all of this, and then a little how-to guide, which shows like how to dip, how to do French, all that stuff. And then they have a list of their colors on the back and all the good stuff. So gonna give this a shot and I'll let you know. So I'm back. I soaked off my nails, my little dip that I had on before this. How do I go? They look pretty bad. Took me about 20 minutes or so. I did the same method that my nail shop does, which is have a bowl with warm water or hot water and then put the acetone inside of the Ziploc bag. I did that, but sorry, I have my Invisalign trays in if I'm talking funny. That used a lot of product, so I probably should have went with the little cotton ball aluminum foil method that the package says. But I thought that I was gonna be like a real nail tech and soak them off. No. Next time I will use the cotton balls. So these are my nails. I need to shape them, file them. I'm just probably gonna do straight. And scrub all that grossness off and try to do the dip. I'm gonna try to figure out if I can record it, set this thing up, but we'll see. I'll let you know. So here we are almost 2 hours later, but sorry, I'm low-key a little bit blind. But I finished. So these are my finished nails. I didn't use any tips or anything. I left these, I filed these down. But I don't hate them. Like, I actually really like them. So for those of you that do want to try out Dipwell, I will leave, they sent me an email with the code. Like, by no means am I an influencer or anybody, or even slightly a professional. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but they came out cute. Yeah, so but they did send an email for like $15 off, I think. I will leave that link in the description. Follow me on Instagram, and who knows, maybe this can like become a thing, because I ain't working right now. I mean, technically I'm getting paid, but I'm a flight attendant. Our flights got cut down, way down, and I'm taking voluntary time off for May. So I ain't got nothing better to do besides some online school and nails. So maybe I'll try to cut my dad's hair tomorrow.